subscriptions and licenses. First of all, let us find out how much Microsoft Office licenses and monthly subscriptions actually cost. We are going to quickly head over to Google, then jump straight to the official Microsoft's website. Now that we are here and landed on the Business tab, below is your applications of choice and pricing of which will also depend highly on your country of origin. Let us explore Office applications tailor-made for a home user. Office Online. You can use Microsoft Office Online for free directly from your web browser, however there are a number of limitations. For this sole purpose we have chosen to demonstrate with Word Document Editor. You can do all your work with the program, but you will not be able to save your documents with their traditional file formats. You will also be unable to open any Word document. Best free alternatives. Let us Google search for WPS Office and have it installed into our system. It is free, but should you wish you can give their premium and business offers a try. And lastly, we will have OnlyOffice installed into our system. We now need Microsoft Word document we can easily use in our comparison of both programs. Here is our document within WPS Writer. And here is our document with OnlyOffice Document Editor. We hope this video has been very helpful to you. And if you are new to our channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.